Hey, welcome back to Cookie's Art, and let's draw another rifle from Fortnite, and this time it's gonna be the Deathwing. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this gun, and to begin we're gonna start out in the middle section first. So we're just gonna draw basically one long rectangle. So it's gonna be pretty long. Alright, so from here, right in the middle, so from this line here, just pick the middle point. We're gonna come down. This is where the magazine, where it's gonna be. And then here, from this point, just pick the midpoint here. So it's gonna be somewhere around here. And we're just gonna come down. And we're just gonna close it off. So I'm just dividing up the area. So this is the magazine. So we can come down here. Just draw two lines and then just slant. And then we're going to extend it slightly and just draw a rectangle underneath. Okay, so let's draw in the grip area and the trigger so we know where we are in the gun. So from here, just come down slightly, we just come across, slant down, and then we're going to come across past this point here, and then we just got to draw one big curve going up to here. Or you can start up here. Just kind of curve it, so just like a semicircle all the way around. And then in here, right in the center, we just add a little circle. Okay, so from here, let's draw in the grip. So come right around here, we're just gonna slant down. And then on the back side here, so after the grip, here's the little area here, the trigger. So we're just gonna draw two lines across. Mine's a little bit wobbly. And then here's the trigger itself. Alright, and then just add one more detail down here before we move on. So we're going to extend this line here, and we're going to draw the same slant as this, just adding another rectangle on the bottom. Okay, so let's move on. Let's add some more detail here. So come around here, just come slant down, and then another slant, and then straight across. Okay, and then in here, we can add a rectangle. Let's add a little rectangle in there. And then we're gonna draw in, let's see, there's some wrappings right here. So we can draw in a line and then give it some thickness. And it's gonna wrap this way, and there's gonna be another line there. So it looks like it's being wrapped around. And then we'll add in little kind of rounded, just two bracket. Okay. All right, so let's move on. Let's finish up the stock first on the back. So right here, just add a little detail. We just add a little rectangle there, and then this part we're gonna extend backwards. And this one's got a little bit of a strange angle, so we're gonna curve it and then extend the curve. And then we're just gonna go, this one's gonna go up, this one's gonna go straight back. And again, we're gonna curve this, flat, curve. Okay, and then for the back, we're gonna go up a little bit, extend it, come straight down. And then this part is easy, we're just gonna slant, come straight down, and then we're just gonna add one little long rectangle down here. And then now we're going to connect this. So on this part here, we'll just extend, draw a little rectangle this way, and then we're going to connect it with a bigger one, so all the way to the stock on the back. And then for them details, we can add in two circles in there. And let's see, let's add in another line here. Alright, so let's finish up the barrel. So right here, and it's gonna be very square, so I'm just gonna extend a rectangle here, circle, and we're gonna add in one more of these little holes here. So bracket, and just go out two lines across. And then now we're gonna extend this, just come down slightly, and we're gonna extend it from the middle point here of this line, go out. Okay, and then we're gonna come down here, extend this, and in the middle here, just kind of close it off. I'm just gonna do it in sections, okay? And then from here, just draw a line. So now we're gonna extend the whole gun. So in the barrel, in the middle, we're just gonna go out. We're gonna come up. Draw a rectangle here, or a square, and then we're just gonna come down slightly and just go across. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna just go up a little bit, straight across, and this part here, we're just gonna go straight. Okay, and then just meet up to that point and just close it off. So the whole gun is actually just a long rectangle, the barrel. Alright, so let's draw in the sight, and which is pretty cool. So right here, slant, slant. And then up here, just draw kind of floating in nowhere. Just draw a little rectangle like that first. And then now we'll draw in a line here. And then we're gonna draw another rectangle. So just come here, go up. Okay, so this rectangle is behind that one. That's why we drew this one first. And after you have that, now we're just gonna draw a line here because that connects. And then let's add in another square here. So now let's draw in the sight. So smaller one, we're gonna go out this way. And then this is gonna extend pretty big. It'll be pretty wide. Close it. And then we're gonna go out. And this is gonna slant back in. And then we'll just close that off. And then back here, we're gonna draw another rectangle to come up. And then from here, we're just gonna extend another rectangle. And then we're gonna draw a bigger one here. And here's the eyepiece, so just come in and just draw. Okay, just draw that. And then let's see for some details. There's gonna be some kind of dial here, so I'm just gonna draw some lines. And then back here, we can add in some detail as well. So I'm gonna add a couple of lines here. And for this rectangle in here, we're just gonna draw two smaller lines here. And then down here, we can add in a curve. And the last thing we need to draw is there's some kind of wiring that goes from here to here. So I'm just gonna draw like a circle here and another circle here. And I'm just gonna connect it with a wire. So just come down and just give it a little curve. And I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker since I'm using a Sharpie. I'm just gonna connect that. And that is it for this Deathwing rifle. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.